What's up, YouTubers? This is No Dog. I'm back again. Ooh. Oh yeah. So I'll park it here for a second. Take a look at the bike here. Take a look at my GoPro setup. So yeah, here's the bike. Kawasaki Vulcan 900 Classic. That's right, my other ride is your mom. Haha. It's a pretty sweet bike. I haven't rode it in about 8 weeks. I just had hand surgery on my thumb. They said I could start riding next week. So I thought, what better time to start riding than this week? Thought I'd show you guys what the bike sounds like. This will be my sound of the Vulcan. Video number 2. We're in Rancho de los Pinosquitos. That's where I'm from. San Diego, California. Feels good to be on the road again. The bike's been good. I just had to detach my battery. I just gotta check out this babe right here. What's up, mama? Grenade. Yeah, I just detached my battery. You know, had it sitting for a while. I just cleaned it all up yesterday. Ooh, I like this seat, man. This saddle seat. I believe it's called the Gunfighter. And like when you give it some gas, it really pushes on your lower tailbone and starts putting you in the place of where you're going. I'm kind of nervous to ride again. I feel like I need to start playing it safe for my kid. Being a single dad and all. But no, I think the Cruiser's a lot safer bet than the sport bikes that I was riding. I was riding pretty dangerous for a while. You know, now I'm just going slow, hitting the streets. I think I'm a pretty cautious rider. Let's check out this idle speed, this idle sound here. I'm not using the microphone on the GoPro. I have a speaker hooked up on there. Goes in my helmet. So you're hearing the sound from the speaker inside of my helmet right from my chin. So you can imagine it's a little louder outside. Let's check out the bike here, see what the bike's at. It says it's 1121. It's got 15,000 miles. Almost 16,000 miles. Oh, cool, my tripper set. Time on there. I'm trying to Got half a gas tank here. This gas tank's huge. It's a 5.3 gallon. Very huge. I'm gonna try to burn out some of this gas that's been sitting in here for 2 months and fill it up with some premium. First gear usually goes up to 30 miles an hour. You can get up to 60 something with the second gear. This bike gets up there. Fun bike to ride. You know, I wouldn't say it's easy to ride. It's a pretty big bike. It's a 900, so it's not like the biggest motor, but like it has pretty large. The wheelbase is large, and the gas tank, the handlebars are big. Kind of hard to back out of parking spots and maneuver in parking lots compared to like the little sport bikes I've had. But it's a little easier to ride once you get moving. It's a lot more comfortable than sport bikes. Let's check out our headlight. Oh yeah, it's bright. Haven't got to use it at night yet. The van has Girl Scout cookies on it and cards. You can take a card and call for Girl Scout cookies. Oh, come on, you bitch. You're gonna cut right in front of me, go slow. Whatever. These jabroni bicycle people are a lot of big problem out here in suburbia, taking up the roads. Alright, we're about to get out of these stoplights here and hit the open road. Cool Corvette. Let's get up there. Behind this convertible. Oh, it's a BMW. I just tried to upshift. Ooh, Porsche. Noise. And I'm gonna be the last one through here. Oh yeah. This is where we're going. Oh yeah. It's nice over there. Something that look a little bit like Ireland. It's raining a couple days ago. We don't get any rain out here. Try to catch up this Porsche up here. Oh, 75 and 45. Yeah. So yeah, I cut my thumb at work, sharpening a knife, cut it a really deep hole down to the bone, sliced my tendon. I had to wait like 3 weeks to get a surgery, and it's been like I think I'm like 7.5 weeks post-op, and I've been going to physical therapy. I'm like 3 weeks into physical therapy, trying to bend my thumb, see what my thumb. This is as far as it'll bend. Not doing the best. They said I'm doing alright though, so I guess so. It just feels like it just needs to crack a couple good times and I'll get some flexibility in it. The whole thing's been a real pain in the ass. But quit my chef job. Fuck that shit. No more cutting myself. I got my security guard card and I just landed a sweet job with Allied Barton. And I'm gonna be making $13.25. I'm gonna be working at Johnson & Johnson down in La Jolla, right on the beach. So it's pretty close to my house. It's like 10 miles from my house. And got some good pay. And the hours are cool. And then I'm gonna be able to cross train at other places. So I'll get like a little variety of what I'm doing. I thought I was gonna be like super rusty on the bike, and I feel pretty good. Comfortable riding. Just gotta keep track of my hand. I'm really excited to see the headlight. I got a H4, some super bright one at the motorcycle shop in town here. It was $50 for one light, but it's supposed to last a long time, and it's supposed to be like really white bright. And if you have this motorcycle, then you know that that headlight sucks. It's awful. I remember I've adjusted